If you're in sales, there's one platform you absolutely cannot ignore: LinkedIn. It's where decision makers, executives, and business owners actually spend time. Unlike other social platforms where people scroll for entertainment, LinkedIn users are here to network, explore business opportunities, and yes, buy. But here's the catch. While LinkedIn is powerful, most salespeople don't use it correctly. They send cold messages that get ignored, they fail to stand out, and they waste time on the wrong prospects. So today, I'll show you how to avoid these mistakes and turn LinkedIn into your #1 sales channel. By the end of this video, you'll understand why LinkedIn is the best platform for B2B and high-ticket sales, how it shortens the sales cycle, and how to find the right buyers. Sales on LinkedIn work if done right. Let's explore the steps to making it a high-converting channel. Let's start with why LinkedIn stands out. Unlike Instagram or X, where people casually engage, LinkedIn is full of professionals who are thinking about work. Whether they are CEOs, recruiters, or sales leaders, they are already in a business mindset. Here are some key facts. 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn. More than 50 million companies have a LinkedIn presence. Decision makers and executives actively check their LinkedIn messages. If you're selling to businesses, high-ticket services, or even professionals who needs your solution, LinkedIn is where your audience is already looking. In traditional sales, you might spend weeks or months nurturing leads through cold calls, emails, and in-person networking. But LinkedIn speeds this up because your prospects already know who you are before you even message them. Let's break it down. Warm outreach is way better than cold outreach. On LinkedIn, prospects can see your profile, past posts, and mutual connections before deciding to respond. You get direct access to decision makers. You don't need to go through gatekeepers because LinkedIn lets you message C-suite executives directly. Also, it builds trust faster. A strong profile and valuable content make your prospects more likely to engage with you. Now that we know why LinkedIn is powerful, let's talk about who you should be targeting. The biggest mistake salespeople make is reaching out to the wrong people. Low-level employees who can't make buying decisions. Here's how to find the right prospects. Search for decision makers. Use filters like job title and industry to refine your audience. Check engagement. Look for active users who post and comment often. They are more likely to respond. Leverage mutual connections. A warm introduction from shared content increases response rates. Finding the right people is key, but how do you create an actual list of leads? While LinkedIn is an incredible sales tool, most people fail to convert leads because they make these common mistakes. Mistake number 1, sending generic connection requests. You've probably received messages like, "Hi Emily, I'd love to connect." Sounds familiar, right? Generic messages get ignored. You need personalized outreach. Mistake number 2, selling too soon. The biggest turnoff, pitching in the first message. People want value first, not a hard sell. Mistake number 3, inconsistent follow-ups. Most salespeople stop after one message, but studies show it takes multiple touch points to get a response. To tackle these challenges, we'll dive deeper into lead targeting and messaging strategies in later videos. We've covered a lot today: why LinkedIn is the best platform for B2B sales, how it shortened the sales cycle, and how to find and engage the right prospects. But knowing this is just the first step. The next step is action. In the next video, we'll dive into optimizing your LinkedIn profile, because before you start selling, you need a profile that attracts and converts prospects. And if you want to see exactly how to build your own lead list with data enrichment, don't miss the upcoming video, how to target leads and have your own lead list with data enrichment with Clixie Assistant. Thanks for watching. Bye!